Hey, this is Venkat Pachandra Sas. Many of you are searching for Circle.so examples, which is like before you sign up in Circle, maybe you wanted to see how other entrepreneurs or course creators or people in the creator economy or other startups are running their community on Circle platform. So this video is about some examples I've collected. So this is a part of Chandrasas community software.co. I hope you will sign up in your favorite community software platform, especially Circle through me. I'll be happy to feature your community platform. So now very quickly, we'll go into Circle examples. The first one, yeah, I'm running my own community in Chandrasas. Okay, now WooLauncher, many of you would have heard about the WooCommerce platform, which is a favorite plugin for online e-commerce service providers, e-commerce companies. Francisco Pazzo is running WooLauncher community in a really great way. And this is one of a very good example of scaling your community through events, engagements, real physical meetups. Everything is done in this community, worth mentioning. Now, next one, MakerPad. Many of you who are into MakerPad, into no-code platforms, you would have known about MakerPad. They've become a huge company now. They are running their community, the no-code community on Circle platform. Get Hired, Showcase and Wins, Member Spotlight, Build Club, and also they have links to all the partner tools like Airtable, Bubble, Glide, Webflow. Coming back to another community, this is a customer community. Let's say you are a small business, you are a SaaS startup, you are another startup doing some business. You, instead of having a knowledge-based software or instead of having a help desk software, some people are interested in having a customer community wherein your customers can come in and, or maybe not specifically customers, it would be your end users. They can come in and ask queries, sales help. You can offer course snippets, tutorials, links to the experts. So this is one good example of running a customer community on Circle platform. Okay, so you would have heard about the real community is wherein people in one belonging to one sect helping others. So Dutch Tech SF is a very good example for that. Probably they are a group of people, more than 200 founders from Netherlands, European region. They've come together in Silicon Valley, in San Francisco, to create this Dutch Tech SF to help other like-minded entrepreneurs and founders. They help with pitch decks, fundraising and negotiating term sheets, legally forming a company, VC relationships. So they're running their community on Circle. And DeepNote this is a very good example of how even a huge company, a product company running, I believe it's a product company running, as I told you, even companies and startups run their community, their customer community on Circle. One good thing about the kind of spaces they have created, announcements, suggestions, bugs in the software, custom environments. Of course, they have also off-topic links to off-topic stuff. And see, this is one thing I really like about Circle, the links in the side. Did you see that? I'm trying to zoom in. You see the links, so you can take it to a homepage, or you can take it to your documentation, changelog, careers page. So this is one thing I really like about Circle community. You can have your links, so that people browsing your community, they really know where to go back. And of course, okay, if you are an online course creator, you could teach guitar, you could teach, you could be a developer teaching a particular software coding language. You could be a designer teaching a design process, or whatever. You will be having students. You might be on a Facebook group or elsewhere, or simply on a newsletter. You can bring them to Circle community. Matt Warnock Guitar has a very huge community of 31,912 students. Look what he has done with Circle community. I'll just show you. See, this is his community. I think it's a closed community only exclusively for the students. Probably he has provided the weekly workouts, some lessons, course reviews, so what time he's available, all those stuff in the community itself. So he has really, it's a very good example of how Circle community community software can be used to engage with your students if you are an online course creator. Founder culture is another example of using Circle community. If you are an accelerator, if you are a startup community, you can certainly use Circle community. See the spaces they have created, founder and SME chat, your people, fundraising, humble recognition, founder deals, storytelling. So again, very good example. Zero dose. Okay, if you are this is what I do consulting with. If you are a non-profit organization and if you want to run your community, you can offer a community kind of platform for your volunteers, for your for people who are supporting you, for the donors, so that on a day-to-day basis they will be able to engage with your non-profit organization. This is very important. A newsletter will just go in there and it is one-way platform wherein you are the creator and you send it outside. But a community is a place where people will be coming forward to post their experiences, their how they feel about supporting this non-profit organization. So Zero Dose, I believe, is a part of UNICEF, and they've used Circle as a very good API standards, wherein they've used API in Circle to display the members, even the landing page. I believe it's a closed community. Once you click that, it takes to clean landing page. So you can do even this with Circle. It's not that you are simply allowing anyone to register. You can collect people to share some information from them, have a paywall, and then go in for making them a member in the community. Fresh Exchange, this is a gardening community. I really liked it. I've not seen it because I'm not part of the community. I believe it's a closed community for people who are interested in gardening or holistic living or I believe kind of eco friendly life. See the kind of topics they have: eco living, low waste, preservation, fermentation, gardening with kids, flower talk, herbs and herbalism, gardening styles. So again, a very beautiful closed community run on Circle, and they're this is how their community looks, I believe. Okay, this is a very good SaaS community. I believe it is running on Circle because I can see the screenshot. It sounds like Circle. This community is for SaaS founders, software as a service software founders, who are not taking a VC funding and running their startups. I applied and I did not got accepted, I believe. But again, a good idea for you to understand how people are using Circle.so software to run their communities, a closed community. See the beautiful landing page for the community. This one was something I recently found. This guy has he has made a very simple. I think he's into real estate. His name is Brian V. Huge, and he has created a real estate community for people who are into real estate business, or also customers who want to buy homes. And certainly he's trying something again with a landing page, and then it takes them to the actual community. Okay, this is a huge company, the company Modern Fertility Community. Modern Fertility is, I'll just read it out for you. I'm sorry, I forgot it. It's a healthcare startup. Okay, startup. And Modern Fertility is a reproductive health organization that aims to make tailored fertility information more readily available. The company has raised $22 million, and hence it's a good example of how funded startup uses Circle.so. They ran a webinar on Circle recently, and I saw, they had many of you would have got a huge community on Slack, which you think is not really active, or you are not gaining much from that. You certainly can migrate from Slack to Circle, and this community, the modern fertility, the startup has moved their community from Slack to Circle. See again the very beautiful landing page with an illustration, and then it takes them, it's a closed community. You have to fill a form and then it takes them to Circle community platform. And they've also explained in the webinar about how they were able to migrate from Slack to Circle community platform. Of course, if you are, this is something Reina Pomra, head of community at Modern Fertility, said about 5 pillars of seamless migration: product partnership, design, marketing, members, and launch week. Okay, nice. Okay, everything marketplaces, again, a very good example. If you are having a dream about making your members pay for your community, remember it's not an easy task. But this everything marketplaces is already doing it. It's a paid community, closed community for people who are running marketplaces, and they have been very, very successful in what they are doing. And they're using Circle. Yeah, it's quite good. Circle integrates seamlessly with hundreds of other products, SaaS products and other products, tools, especially because they have integration with API. Circle integrates with Teachable. Again, I told you, if you're an online course creator and if you wanted to create a community among your students, you have to consider Circle community platform. This is Venkat. I'll be very happy to feature your community. If you want to feature your community, a very decent community, just have to come to communitysoftware.co. You're part of Chandra SaaS, and go to feature a community and fill in and write to me. I just want you to, I want it to sound like a real interview, not just a listing. So tell your story about how you're building a community, what you want to do. And even if you buy, before you buy any community management software, if you buy it through me, I'll be very happy to feature your community. That is something I can assure from my side. So good luck to you. I hope you like the Circle examples. I will keep on updating this page to help you understand how entrepreneurs, course creators, people in the creative economy, startups, SaaS startups are using Circle community software to build their communities. Welcome to communitysoftware.co. You're part of Chandra SaaS, and I'll be happy to guide you to find the right community software. And that should be Circle. And I will also guide you to build the community the right way. Thank you so much. This is Venkat.